Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting both phones ready, update iOS, subscribe to Apple Music, and decide whether to use one Apple ID or family sharing. Once done, sign into the chosen Apple ID on both devices. Next, open Settings Music and enable Sync Library so your playlists and likes sync via iCloud. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active while this initial sync runs, otherwise downloads and metadata won't populate. Now you have the foundation and the first actionable step completed. You'll now manage how content moves between phones. Open the Music app on both devices and confirm Show Apple Music is on, then verify each track's sync status in Library. For reliable offline playback, tap the download icon on albums or playlists. Downloads happen per device, so choose what you want locally. If there's a conflict between local and iCloud copies, decide which version to keep. The system will prompt you. Finally, enable automatic downloads if you want new purchases to appear on both phones automatically. Finish by testing. Play the same playlist on both phones and confirm downloads work offline. If you need one phone to stop sharing, sign out of the Apple ID or remove it from family sharing. For switching audio, use Control Center or AirPlay to pick the device output. If things go wrong, first check connectivity, then toggle Sync Library off and on, sign out and back in, restart the phones, and install updates. That sequence resolves most sync glitches. If needed, revoke extra devices in your Apple ID settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.